Hey, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm trying out the most trending product in the nail world, which is the dip powder. This was sent to me by BORNPRETTY for me to review. So both of these dipping powder is iridescent and this is Last Chrysanthemum, and the other one is Walks in Beauty. Now before I start, I just want to tell you that I'm not a pro nail tech and this is my first time using dip powder, and if I make any mistakes or I apply it wrongly, I apologize in advance. So in the website says that this product, not only you can use it for dipping, you can also do carving or sculpting and extension, which I'm not gonna show you in this video because I don't have any acrylic liquid. So right now I'm just gonna try the dipping method. This dipping system that was sent to me also includes the base, activator and top coat. Okay, so now I'm going to do this with my fake nail that I already applied black gel polish because honestly I'm pretty scared to use it on my natural nails. Okay, I'm going to start by applying the base coat and dip, and I'm going to brush off the excess powder and apply the base coat one more time and dip. And then I'm going to apply the activator. Look at that. Oh my goodness, it looks so beautiful over black. Next, I'm going to buff the nails until it's totally smooth. Then I'm going to apply top coat. So I noticed that the top coat doesn't really make the nails smooth, so I decided to apply gel top coat. I'm going to the next dipping powder and basically just repeat the process. Oh, look at that color. Apply activator and buff. Apply top coat. Okay, I really love this one, so beautiful. You can see a bit of green, a bit of turquoise in there, and pink. So like I said earlier, I did apply a gel top coat just to smooth the nails, and honestly it looks much better. And so this is the finished look. Now my ring finger I did 3 times, so that's why it's a bit different. For the rest of the nails I only did twice. Now what do I think about this dipping powder? It's a good product if you like your nails to last longer. Personally for me it's a bit of a hassle because it's a messy process and I got powder everywhere on my table. And I probably won't wear this on my nails because I change my nails color and design almost every day. But for you who want your manicure to last longer, then this is the product for you. If you're interested on getting this dipping powder, I will put the product link down in the description box. Comment your thoughts on this dipping powder. Do you like it or not? So don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I see you on my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.